Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we've cleaned up the charts as you requested, so you should be able to see a lot more detail now. So if it looks a lot better, drop me a comment, let me know whether you like it or not. Can't please everybody, but trying to make it as easy for everybody as possible. So we'll take loss ladders away, we'll take off all the moving averages, and we'll just focus on price action for now. Okay, so right now we've had a pretty strong move, and by the looks of things, this measured move here has played out pretty close. Okay, so first move up, pullback, second move, that looks like that's played out. We're in this area of what shall we call that, congestion, major area of resistance, and I don't expect us flying through that, but then again, anything's possible, and I actually don't know anything. So yeah, let's just get down to the levels that we can actually trade on the DAX at the moment. I haven't had a chance to get into the DAX at all. So yesterday we spoke about this. Let me just add the square in because I keep looking for it and it's not there. Okay. That should give us, there it is there. So yesterday I spoke about this little range and whether we broke up, we get a continuation. So we did get a break up, we came back for a test and got an opportunity to be long again. Now, bear in mind, we've got data coming out shortly, this afternoon. So I'm not in any trades and I'm not interested in trading until that data comes out. If you look at this on the hour, the trend is up. This is a very strong trend. To the upside. We are bouncing off levels at the moment, and I want to see a pullback before I get long on this market again. So range break, we sort of gapped up, came back, kind of tried to close the gap, and then immediately ran away. That was our entry coming back onto it. I didn't quite get that. It happened quite late in the afternoon. I had other trades on the go. So that was the only opportunity that we had for the DAX. And at the moment, there's no opportunity right now. We're going to be going all over the place until the data comes out and the markets decide which way they're going. So for now, trend is up. I'm looking for opportunities to get in on this, the long, and then I have to go back to the 3 hour here just to get our levels quickly. And obviously that is our first level. And next level is quite far away. Okay, so this is the most logical area at the moment, which is 11,544. That is the most logical area, but in saying that, there is a gap here as well, and then there's a gap just a little bit below, and there's another gap further down, and there's a gap even further down. So there's quite a few gaps, and if you look at this, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. So I'm reluctant to be long or short at the moment. I'm reluctant to be long at these levels. You probably find it's going to push and push and push. I want to see a break of a level and retest, find some structure. So I'm looking for pullbacks. So I'm either looking for 11,544 or we're looking at 11,446. If that goes, then definitely all the way back down to 11,259. And that would be a awesome area to get long. Okay. So yeah, so for me, I'm sitting on the sidelines in the DAX. Haven't really had an opportunity to get in on this week at all. We have had some good currency trades which have been playing out quite nicely, but haven't managed to get onto the DAX at all. So probably going to continue for the rest of the week for me anyway. So I will be watching these levels. Okay. So the first one is obviously 11,544. Then we're looking at 11,446, and then the last level I'm looking at is 11,259. If we get below 11,259 and then turn that into resistance, it may start exciting me for a short, but in my strategy, that is the last swing low. That's the last fractional low, and that is my line in the sand, which is 10,865, which is far from where we are right now. That's 1,000 points down. So anyway, yeah, sit on hands for me at the moment until data comes out, but I'm probably not going to trade this for the rest of the week. It is in a strong uptrend, and if you can get in on it, you want to see a nice, decent pullback onto one of these levels, and that's the only thing that's going to get me long on this market. Not interested in shorts. Trend is up. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.